My destination is up ahead. I don't know if you can see it in the gloom. Big, spooky looking oak tree over there in the fog. Trying to go check that out. Alright, it's bike check time. This is my state 4130 all-road steel gravel bike. Just put it together with my kids. Got a build video up, got a first ride video with it, and today I just want to go over how I put this thing together. So first part I actually bought for these Hunt 4-season all-road discs. I forget the internal millimeter width, it's 22, something like that, but they support one of my favorite features, these Ultra Dynamico 42 millimeter gray tires. I think they look great on absolutely everything. It's a really fantastic tire, smooth on the road, handles the gravel pretty well, no complaints. Next favorite feature is this Hope 70 millimeter limited edition color stem. It doesn't match the bike the exact way I was hoping, but I still think it looks pretty good. Got it on eBay for pretty cheap. Someone was trying to get rid of it, so happily took that. Another favorite feature, Stooge. It's a company here in the UK that makes absolutely gorgeous bikes. Can't afford their frames right now, but definitely wanted to support them and got this awesome riser bar. Perfect bar for this flat bar gravel bike that I made. And I also really love these Ori grips. I think they look great with the gray and raw phosphate color. Classic kind of BMX style grips. The bike runs on Advent X microshift. Got 10-speed cassette, 11 to 48 tooth. There's the 10-speed derailleur. Really easy to install. Even I could do it. Even set the B tension correctly. Love that. One thing I love about this microshift stuff, it's cheaper than most things and it works really well, and it's so easy to install. They even gave me this tool. You sit on the cog right there and it helps you adjust the B tension, so it's just perfect. It's got the microshift sword, 42 tooth cranks. Half of this bike I pulled off for parts for this bike. I pulled off of other things I had in my shed. So I've got these TRP Spike mechanical disc brakes, and they work pretty well if you house the cable in this Jaguar cable housing. These are just TRP shifters. Got the microshift Advent X trail shifter there. Pulled this saddle off another bike that I have. It's a Brooks B17 kind of mountain bike style saddle. This is just a generic 27.2 millimeter seat post. That's about it. These pedals, I don't know what company this is. Found them online. I thought the gold would kind of maybe match the stem. It didn't quite, but I think it still looks okay. And that's about it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this quick overview, and thanks for tuning in. Back. There it is. There's the giant oak tree I was looking for. Filmed the video under that oak tree there. Beautiful. A little bumpy. There goes my phone. So you know it's bumpy. The phone holder gives up. Alright, let's fix that phone holder so I can get home. This video is a little deceptive. Maybe 2 miles of my 20-mile ride today was gravel or off-road, but that's really all I filmed for the most part, because the rest of it was just English country roads, nothing much going on. Maybe on the way back I'll film some of the towns. I'm on my way home and I stumble across this monument to American forces in the UK during World War II. There was an airfield here, and I ran into a gentleman who explained a lot of the history to me. That's cool. Yeah. Hey guys.
Yeah, I reckon it's a stop switch. No, they've gone off now. Let's see if they actually stay off this time. No, they come back on.
That's really neat. That's cool.
You like it?
Yeah. I was just riding through this way and saw something about the American military, so
yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Well, if I tell you this is one of the first ever made.
Yeah.
And she was built on the 8th of December, 1941.
Wow.
So, you know, that's a bit of a significant day.
Yeah, I bet.
And she was delivered on the 11th.
Yeah.
To the US Army. So,
that's crazy.
So, as I was saying to my friends, basically means it was a civilian.
US
government wasn't involved by the time they delivered her in World War II. So.
Yep. Target gets a vote. Yeah. Japanese got a vote on that.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
But literally got her today. She's been restored, taking about 3 years to get her.
Wow.
Because so early, it's finding bits for it and stuff.
Oh, I bet.
Problem.
eBay and just junkyards and.
Yeah. I've had to make some parts because we couldn't get them. So,
wow. 3D print some stuff or weld some stuff, fashion.
Yeah, fabricate some bits and all kinds of
wow.
things. So.
That's cool. So thanks for talking to me. That's
you're right.
But my camera was on it. I hope that was okay.
No,
yeah,
right.
okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sorry.
You carry on. Yeah.
Awesome.
But we thought it was appropriate to stop here today.
I think so. Yeah. That was a nice little surprise. There's a big oak tree down there.
Yeah.
In Geddington. I wanted to ride to that and take some pictures.
Yeah.
And on my way saw this, and that's really cool.
Well, one of the first people that he was like the temporary base commander was Paul Tibbets.
Okay.
Who's the guy that flew Enola Gay.
Yeah.
So he was here briefly for a few weeks.
Wow.
Because this was like Grafton was the first US Army Air Force base to be operational.
Okay.
And they flew right from like the first to the last missions.
Wow.
So they're like the longest serving American Air Force
That's
unit
really cool.
in the UK.
That's really cool.
Yeah. There's a museum coming. It's not ready yet.
Okay.
There's some guys I know. They've got the old operation
nice.
room. And,
do you know when it'll be up? I'm here another year and a half or so.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably, I would have thought middle of next year.
Perfect. All right.
Unfortunately, they had a lot of stuff stolen this time last
year. Oh, really?
Year.
That's terrible.
So that's put them back.
Yeah.
But I said to him again, I'll go up once he was getting this done, because like I said, this is taking 3 years of my life to get this done.
Worth it though. That's really cool. Thanks for talking to me about it.
Yeah, that's right.
That's awesome. Wonderful meeting you.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get heading home before my wife starts wondering where I went.
We'll make the most. See, it's the shortest day of the year. As I was saying to the guys,
it is.
While the weather's reasonable.
I said I had to get out in the morning because by 3 o'clock it's it's dark.
It'll be getting dark.
So awesome. Well, thank you, sir.
That's all right.
Have a great day.
And you.
Thank you. Most of this ride was just long stretches of country road in the wet and the fog. Not much to see. My glasses are fogged up. I can't see it anyways. Of course, the sun comes out towards the end of the ride. It's about right.